statues of Plana, who is a well-renowned group from Dore. And as you can see just above, you can see our little fairy tree with the little fairy door for the fairy. And then we have the bird houses, and there's cameras inside the bird houses so that the school and people who's using the centre can see the birds.
It works very well. The joy of the programme is many of the user group in the programme are from this area, so they may not have a direct relation to Dore Community Centre before they joined here, but certainly now they can see what the community centre is about. They're being exposed to the different user groups in the community centre, and in turn they're starting to make acquaintances and different generational acquaintances that they may never have made before. And I think as a group we're making a good positive impact on the community centre. We've got our rose garden, our flower garden, our new orchard, so as a legacy project, I think that we're often as a group a fantastic legacy projects that when we come to an end in December, Sandy, when we come to end in December, that there'll be a great addition made to the community garden space here in the community centre.